Introducing the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the biggest, most advanced iPhone ever, pushing the boundaries of power, design, and innovation. Every device is wrapped in a forged aluminum unibody design, strong, light, and elegant in every detail. Capture every moment perfectly with the 18-megapixel center stage front camera. It keeps you framed, switches from portrait to landscape without moving, and even expands the view when friends join your selfies. The rear cameras take it further. All 48 megapixels with up to 8 times optical quality zoom. Fusion main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses deliver stunning detail from wide shots to close-ups. Every photo, every zoom, perfectly sharp. Under the hood, the A19 Pro chip delivers blazing speed and efficiency. Advanced vapor chamber cooling keeps things smooth whether you're gaming, recording 4K video, or multitasking all day. Built with Ceramic Shield 2, it's tougher than ever. Nano-ceramic crystals make the glass resistant to scratches, drops, and everyday wear, keeping your screen safe no matter what. Up to 39 hours of playback means you can watch, stream, and play longer than ever. Actual battery life varies by network, apps, and settings, but you'll always have power when it matters most. And with Apple Intelligence, effortlessly access helpful features like creative image generation and real-time live translation, available in select languages and regions. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, the legend of smartphones. Thanks for watching. Your next adventure is waiting. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to The Motivator's Mind, where tech meets power.